Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today I will continue our lessons. Okay, let's begin. The first one looks like the English letter J, but the pronunciation for this one sounds similar like the English letter G. So, can you try to copy my pronunciation? G, G, G. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. The second one looks like the English letter Q. The pronunciation for this pinyin, it sounds like the G, but you have to make the air come out from your mouth. I will make use of this napkin to make it clear. When you say G, G, no air come out. When you say qi, qi, let the air come out. Get it? Qi, qi. It's your turn. Very good. The last pronunciation for today's lesson is xi, xi. In order to pronounce this consonant correctly, please give me a fake smile. Let me say all of your teeth. Xi. One more time. Xi. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. Okay, so now it's a challenge time. When the xi plus with a pronunciation like ear, it will be xi, ye, xie. Very good. Xie. 很好. Very good. And now, can you repeat this one twice? Xie, xie. Perfect. One more time. Xie, xie. Now I will give the fourth tone to the first character. It will be 谢. How do we say these words now? 谢谢. One more time. 谢谢. 谢谢. Do you know what's meaning for 谢谢? Brilliant. 谢谢 in Chinese, which means thank you or thanks. 谢谢. 谢谢你. Thank you for joining today's lessons, and I hope you enjoyed the lessons, and I will see you next time. 再见.